In today's video, I will walk you through how to insert a table in an Outlook email. Start by going to the Microsoft Outlook page. Click the Sign In button, then enter your email and password on the Sign In page and select Next. Once you reach the Outlook dashboard, go to the top left corner and click New Mail to open a new email draft. Click inside the body of the email where you want the table to appear. Then move to the ribbon at the top of the draft. For the first method, go to the Message section and look toward the far right side. Click the three dots to open a drop-down menu. Then select Table. Choose the number of rows and columns, and the table will be inserted into your email. For the second method, stay in the same draft and switch to the Insert section in the ribbon at the top. In the Insert section, click the table icon, select your preferred number of rows and columns, and the table will be added directly into the email body. Both methods let you insert and customize a table inside your Outlook email. And that's how you insert a table using either option in Outlook.